Central Michigan University has a long-standing reputation for its exceptional STEM programs, attracting students from all over the world.
Central Michigan University has a long-standing reputation for its exceptional STEM programs, attracting students from all over the world.
Absolutely. We offer a wide range of STEM programs, including computer science, biology, physics, engineering, and more. Our programs are designed to provide students with a strong foundation in theoretical and practical aspects of their chosen fields.
CMU STEM programs not only provide students with the knowledge they need to excel in their chosen fields but also equip them with the skills required to succeed in the industry.
That sounds great. Can you tell us more about how Study Metro can help students who are interested in pursuing STEM programs at CMU?
Study Metro is a fantastic resource for students who are looking to pursue STEM programs at CMU. They have a team of experts who can help students with everything from finding the right program to applying for scholarships and visa assistance.
Can you tell us more about the services Study Metro offers to students who are interested in STEM programs at CMU?
Our team of experts works closely with students to understand their interests and goals, and then help them find the perfect STEM program at CMU. We also provide students with assistance for scholarships, visa processing, and more. Our ultimate goal is to make the application process as smooth and stress-free as possible for our students.
Study Metro has helped numerous students in pursuing their dream of studying at CMU, and their services are highly recommended by students who have used them. So, if you are interested in pursuing a STEM program at Central Michigan University, Study Metro can help you achieve your dreams. Visit their website to learn more about their services. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.